Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use camera filters and effects that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have here in my Google Play Store and search in the camera filters and effects, and here it is. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the examples in here. So these are the things that you can do with this application: camera filters and effects. Okay, it has an amazing filter, app camera, camera effects, emojis, stickers, awesome spiral, connect and share, and so much more. Alright, let's go ahead and install it now. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that this filter camera app contains live camera filters that allow you to use camera filters and effects like Snapchat while clicking selfies. You can add photography camera effects and surprise your friends and fellows by sharing HD quality pictures. Before capturing any picture, you can preview the results on your screen by simply swiping the wide variety of free effects and filters on the app. This app includes the following: Darkroom, Old Retro, Polaroid Cam, Glitch, Cinematic, Vintage, Light Leak, Line Art, Black and White, and so much more. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so here it is. It's loading. Let's wait for it to fully load up. So these are the features available. Live camera is where you can take selfies of yourself and apply filters. Photo editor is where you can edit your photos. The same goes with the streak and the spiral effects. Let's go ahead and try the spiral effects, and we'll choose the gallery. Okay, so let's use this one, and then you can apply filters or spiral effects. Okay, just like that. So you can scroll or swipe to the right to see more. Okay, so these are the available. This one says glitch and so much more. All right, now if you don't want to apply it, then just tap this one here and it will remove the effects. Okay, let me just try this and save. Okay, there you have it. You have the option to take a preview. Okay, just like that. So image saved successfully, so you have the option to share it, or you can go back to the dashboard again, to the home page. So live camera filters is where you can take selfie of yourself and apply a filter right away. So I'm not going to take a photo of myself. I'm just going to use the photos that I have in here as an example. Let's say this one, and apply filters. Okay, there you have the option to scroll or swipe to the right and apply the filters you like. So I prefer this one. Okay, this one's good. Effects, you can also apply. Okay, adjustment. So you have the option to apply brightness, contrast. There, the brightness. You can use the maximum contrast. You can swipe to the left or right to adjust the contrast, the warm, vignette, and blur. So it's up to you. If you want to reset it, then just tap the reset button and it will reset everything. So blur, okay, let's try the blur. Okay, this will blur your photos. So I'm not going to apply that effect, so reset and go back. Now let's just try the crop. Crop is where you can change the size of your image, so square, as you can see, for Instagram, for Facebook, and so much more. So I'm not going to do that. Cancel. And the stickers is where you can add stickers, as you can see in here. These are the stickers currently available that you can use. Emojis as well, they have emojis, so you can tap any emojis to apply there. So the opacity can be adjusted, okay, like that. It's up to you. I don't want to apply this, so I'm going to remove it. So there's no option to resize the emoji. That's actually the downside. Let me try this one and see if there's an option to resize it. Okay, only the opacity is available and not the resize, so there's no option to resize this. Okay, you can drag anywhere you want, but there's no option to resize. Okay, so I'm just going to remove it and then go back by tapping this, and okay, that's much about the live camera filter. So let's go back and yes, cancel. Now these are the filters that you can apply. So let's try retro. So this time this one. So there's a lot of options here that you can choose. So choose a photo or take a selfie and then apply filters. So Euro, retro, light, leak, black and white, okay, just like that. So if you want to save this, then just tap the save button at the top right portion to save it. So image saved successfully. You have the option to preview or share it to your social media. Photo editor. Let's select this photo. So it has the same tools, as you can see here: filters, effects, adjustment, crops, stickers, emoji. Okay, you can apply filters, effects, adjustments, crops, or crop the image, sticker, and so on. Let me just go back. Let's try the streak. Okay, the same goes. Streak. It has this option here that you can apply directly to yourself, to your selfie. I'm not going to take a photo of myself. Alright, this one looks amazing. Let's look at this. Oh, okay. So this is the streak. You have the option to send it to or download it. You can also add text, just like that, and emojis or stickers, and crop the image, change the ratio, and once you're done, you have the option to send it to. I am not going to do that. Okay, this one's good. It's like cartoonizing your photo. Okay, I see. So this will cartoonize, make my photo cartoonize. Alright, that's good. So go back, and lastly is the spiral effects, which you already seen it earlier. that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.